Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome back to my channel. Ayon po dito sa balitang nabasa ko, Government reaffirms PUV modernization deadline for December 31. LTFRB to fully implement PUV-MP by January 1, 2024. The government is standing firm on its commitment to modernize public transportation. President Marcos recently declared that there will be no extension on the deadline for the consolidation of PUV operators beyond December 31, 2023. The Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program o yung pong PUV-MP will be fully implemented on January 1, 2024 with the goal of easing the plight of millions of commuters with better, cleaner, and safer means of public transportation. There has been resistance from a number of transport groups on the basis of costs, among others. Pero tulad nga po ng sinabi ko, it is about time. Marami na po tayong mga dilapidated jeepneys. Kailangan na pong ma-improve ang ating transport system. Sabi pa po dito sa balita, the Department of Transportation launched the PUV-MP in 2017 under the Duterte administration to improve the public transport system by introducing cleaner, safer, efficient, and better means of public transportation to replace dilapidated, unsafe, inefficient, and smoke-belching jeepneys. So sino po ba ang makikinabang nito kundi ang milyon-milyong Pilipino? Okay, naiintindihan po natin itong mga jeepney drivers na nag-i-strike na sinasabi pa nila na kahit na mag-deadline na, tutuloy pa rin silang bumiyahe. They will defy the government. O di bahala kayo, mahuli kayo, maging kolorum kayo. Saka yung sinasabi ni Franz Castro na magkakaroon daw ng transport crisis. Well, siguro sa umpisa lang. Pero nakahanda po ang ating gobyerno dyan. Dahil para sa gobyerno natin, ang tinitignan po nila ay ang kapakanan ng milyon-milyon ng majority ng mga Pilipino. So doon sa mga hindi sasali dito sa modernization project na to, nasa sa inyo na po yan. Pero doon po sa mga sasali sa modernization project na to, meron pong magandang balita ang ating gobyerno. Sabi po dito, DOLE pushes for regularized jeepney drivers. While the Department of Transportation is keen on implementing the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program, the Department of Labor and Employment is now pushing for the regularization of jeepney drivers. In an interview, Labor Undersecretary Benjo Benavides said they are in support of the PUV modernization program if it will result in the full employment of drivers. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Sabi po ni Benavides, kailangan yung mga drivers natin will be treated like regular employees who are entitled to labor and social benefits. Gagawin po silang swelduhan. Dahil ito po ay ginawa na pala sa mga bus drivers natin. Meron na silang regular income, meron pa silang benefits. Tuloy ko po. We support the modernization programs as it can change the treatment of drivers by making them regular employees with salaries and are covered by SSS PhilHealth. Sabi pa ni Benavides. The labor official said such a system is possible as it is already being implemented in the bus sector. So kung nagawa yan sa sektor ng mga bus, maaari din po yan sa mga jeepney drivers. Dahil ang mga bus drivers pala natin, meron ng mga sweldo, meron pang mga komisyon. Hindi tulad sa sitwasyon ng mga jeepney drivers. Sabi ni Benavides, they are opposed to the current boundary system implemented in the jeepney sector wherein the driver does not receive a fixed wage but only the excess amount of fares collected by him less the fixed amount he pays to the jeepney owners. We don't want the boundary system because the behavior of the driver, the risk it involves, and the long hour of drive makes it unsafe for drivers and riders. Hindi ba magandang balita yon? Yung mga jeepney driver, magkakaroon na ng sweldo. Fixed salary. Meron pa sila mga benefits, SSS, PhilHealth, at kung ano-ano pa. Kaya firm po ang ating gobyerno that there will be no more extension of the December 31 deadline for the compliance to the Jeepney Modernization Program. So sana mag-isip-isip yung ating mga drivers dyan, yung mga hindi pa sumasali dito sa modernization project ng ating gobyerno. Mas magiging maganda po ang sitwasyon ng ating mga drivers kung sila ay may fixed salary. Tapos meron pa silang mga benepisyo. So kung tayo man po ay nakikisimpatya dito sa mga jeepney drivers na hindi pa umaayon sa modernization project, tama naman po ang gobyerno. Mas tinitignan po nila ang kapakanan ng mas nakararami at majority ng Pilipino. Ilang araw na lang, New Year na, ngayon pa lang bumabati po ako sa inyo ng isang masagana at mapayapang bagong taon. Kayo po, what are your thoughts about this? Comment lang po down below and I will see you next time. Peace.